Hello everyone, we're at Chessington and today we are going to be on a very special vlog. It's not any Chessington vlog. Wow, I wish I was this colourful. Love it. I've just realised it's the last day of Mardi Gras! It's my favourite ride here. So, my lovelies, we're going to the exit of Mandrill Mayhem. You would have thought we're going on the ride. No, we're clearly not. We're going to the exit because who actually wants to go on Mandrill Mayhem? Me. We did actually start the day on that though over there. Obviously I did the whole vlogging thing before, but you know, Jumanji press, but yeah, I actually haven't done it since press day, so very cool. Hello. Having my first refill. Where's he gone? Chris, what is the current problem? We haven't got 7.
What?
We're going on Mandrill Mayhem. Look at him in his action. Chris, what did you think of Mandrill Mayhem?
I love a bit of Mandrill Mayhem.
I love it as well.
It's good.
Where does it rank more than Saga? This one? Rita?
Yeah.
Rita, yes! Woo!
Oh, yeah.
Right, we're going on a Gruffalo.
A Gruffalo!
The Gruffalo. Chris, what's the story of the Gruffalo?
It's a big Gruffalo. In a woodland.
He's got, what is it? It's got green warts all over his nose. He's got purple. Oh, the smell. Wow. We went on barrel bailout. I'm a bit soaked, not gonna lie. Anyway, we're now going on Adventure Tree.
Yes.
You excited?
I am.
He's gonna spin us like mad.
Oh my god!
Chris,
Hello.
what's just happened?
I've broken my hand.
It hurt a
It
lot.
hurt a bit.
I wanna really want to
It's like, oh.
Chris do a Gangnam Style.
What is that? So 2012?
How cute! So this is actually one of my favourite themed areas in the park. Like, I just think it's so cute. Like, look, it's so wholesome. I love it. Was it good, Chris? A bit soggy. I thought it would be like that. Oh, Chris!
Oh my god.
Look! We're gonna go on Dragon's Fury. But my eyeliner, look! It's gone, it's vanished! So, I just had some cheesy chips. I shall review. Right, review. Help, I don't know what to do. Right, review. Good. We're going on Toon Blaster. Pew pew. Look at the baby sea lion. Oh. Chris, are you happy to be the baby sea lion? It's a. It's so cute. We're going on Vampire. The hair had to go up. It's getting to a forearm. We're going on the Gruffalo again. Oh, I haven't got this one. I've got Colossus. Very cute. I'll open the other one. Very excited. Oh, still, yes! 2 new ones! You can stop. Funny how this time in October I was locked up. Literally right here in the stocks. Me too. We're back in the world's bestest place, the world of Jumanji. Chris is in his natural habitat, so that's all I asked for really. Look at him, his bag is even blending in with the atmosphere. And we're going back on it again. So Chris, how is this cupcake?
Nice.
I have one question. Who let me the bank card? So this is what's happened. Why? It's really fair. It was cheaper than I thought. I thought it was like 27 quid, but when I bought it, it was like 18. So I was like, that's not actually too bad. It's quite big as well. Look at it! Ah! So cute! So everyone else has gone on Tiger Rock. I'm currently chilling out in the land of Jumanji. Just for why not, you know, that sort of thing. I just chill out. Yeah, I mean, to be honest, we've had a really good day. I mean, even though I've made the whole video about Chris, yeah, we've had a fun time. I mean, I just wanted to try something different because I find with my vlogs, it's always the same thing. So just to kind of spice things up and actually like post about other people, you know, I think it's great. But look, how wholesome. And then look behind me. Oh, love it. First family photo. Ah, I never noticed that there was smoke coming out of its mouth. Oh, it's kind of stopped now. I mean, you can sort of see it at the back there, like just there. But yeah, obsessed. Anyway, that is our day finished and done with. Yeah, I had a really good day. I really hope you all enjoyed the video. The substance is gone now. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you in my next vlog.